In today's tech tutorial, we're going to be talking about comments in JavaScript. Now, there's a couple different ways you can do comments, multi-line and single line. We're going to be going over those real quick. So a multi-line comment in JavaScript needs to start with a /* and then end with a //. Now, if you can see, we take out one part of this, the rest of it becomes the comment, so you put it back. Now this lets you put as many lines as you want in here of comment, and none of it will get executed. Now let's just say you only have one thing you want commented out, and boom, you just put the // down, and then it will become, then only the one line will be commented out. And a fun little trick in a lot of IDEs you can use, if you don't want to go through and manually comment stuff out, you can hold Control and then hit / on your keyboard, and it'll uncomment automatically and comment automatically. And you can use this method to, let's say you want to try out a new function or a new way to do something. You can comment out your old code so you don't lose it, put your new code in, test it out. If it doesn't work the way you want, you still have your old code readily available. Also, it's nice to be able to reference your old code there. So you should always comment your code because you never know what you're going to forget later on. For example, you might be writing some code and say, oh, this is pretty self-explanatory. It doesn't need comments. But next week when you come back to it, or even tomorrow when you come back to it, you might not know what you were thinking when you wrote the code. So it's always important to write comments so you know what you're doing. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.